What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. First HatClub unboxing of 2023. Y'all already know the vibes. Let's start off this video the right way. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Let's get into it. HatClub Black Dome collection. Hopefully y'all were paying attention last week during the upcoming hat releases when I told y'all don't sleep. This is not a restock. This was not a restock. They gave us 22 new styles and they brought back 12 favorites. Hopefully by now everybody has been able to pick up the hats that they wanted. If not, you can still check out hatclub.com because there are still some hats left over. This right here is the Dodgers from the collection, which personally was my favorite out of the new styles. So let's go ahead and get into it. We have a black top bill, black crown, black button on top, of course. This is the Black Dome collection. LA Dodgers front logo, royal blue on the inside with a white outline. This is one of those times where I really like the Dodgers front logo with the outline. That little bit of white being thrown in goes a long way in terms of how this front logo pops off the black crown. 40th anniversary Dodger Stadium side patch. I really like that light blue that's in there behind the Dodger Stadium text. And then of course you have that gold metallic threading in there as well. Flat baddie on the back, royal blue on this side, red on the opposite side, white in the middle. Tonal New Era flag. Green UV with the white guts. Classic colorway, new styles. A lot of them did stand out to me. That Detroit Tigers, fire. That new Seattle Mariners, also fire. But this one right here, this was the one in my personal opinion. This is gonna fit right into my everyday hat rotation. Every hat did come with the HatClub exclusive pin, which is a turtle with the black paisley print on its shell. I'll make sure I show y'all what this looks like on the hat. So here's what the pin looks like on the hat. I've seen a lot of pins. I don't think I've ever seen a turtle pin. So I like this, it's different. So y'all already know I like to wear my hats curved. I'm gonna go ahead and steam it, curve it, and we'll be back. Here's what the hat is looking like now. Down below in the comment section, sound off if you picked up anything from the HatClub Black Dome collection. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.